Welcome to becoming a successful Microsoft technical support with Thompson.
Hello guys, I hope you're doing okay. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about fixing Outlook issues. That is Outlook, desktop Outlook. Okay, so a lot of times we have issues with our Outlook, a lot of issues. Either you're unable to sign into your Outlook, or your Outlook isn't opening, or emails are not coming in, or emails are not updating, then you are in the right place. Okay, so for instance, now you can see this my account. This is an old account which I'm no longer using. All right, I'm no longer with that organization, and now I'm trying to get rid of that account from my Outlook. Anytime I launch my Outlook, it keeps telling me to put in my password, and that's not the account I want to work with. Okay, so if there's no option for me to like switch accounts, then how do I fix this? All right, so that's where uh, the troubleshooting steps I'm going to give to you are going to come in place. So the first step is to create a new Outlook profile. So you can see my Outlook is not starting. So to create a new Outlook profile, you need to go to Control Panel. When you go to Control Panel, then you're going to go to Mail, Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlook. Then you click on Show Profile. So you can see there's an existing profile there, but we are going to add a new one because the old one is the one you are unable to launch. So we're going to create a new one. Click on OK. Then we're going to add an email. Alright, so I'm going to add an email. So I want you to know that when you use an account to create an email to create a profile, you cannot remove that email from that Outlook. All right, you will not be able to remove that email because that's the email that's making that profile function. Okay, now we can click on finish. So we're going to prompt to profile to be used anytime the Outlook is launched. So now we're going to close the old thing and launch Outlook again. So we launch Outlook. Now we're going to select the new profile we just created. Alright, so let's wait and see if this is going to resolve the issue. If this does not resolve the issue, then that's when we go to plan 2, or should I say plan B. Alright, so most times this resolves the issue by creating a new Outlook profile. But if that is not the case, then we'll need to clear the Outlook profile cache. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so you can see this did not resolve the issue. It means that that profile has been totally corrupt. Alright, so even the new one is unable to open. So for us to fix this, we need to go to registry editor. So we need to go to registry editor. No, registry editor. You see it reg edit. So you click on registry editor, allow. Then you are going to see H key current user. You drop down software. Then we go down to Microsoft. Then we go down to Office. Look for Office. Drop down Office. Then 16.0. Then we should see Outlook. You're going to drop down Outlook also. So now we're going to go to profiles. Now you should see the two profiles you created. All right, so we're going to go ahead to delete any other profile that is there except from the Outlook. which is the default one. All right. So now under Outlook, you should see a lot of cache. So these are all cache. So we are going to go ahead to delete them one by one. So we are going to delete them till nothing is left under the Outlook. So let's keep deleting. To make it easier, you can just use your keyboard, the delete and enter. All right. So you can see there's nothing left under the Outlook. So let's close the registry editor and launch the Outlook again. So now we can see we have just one profile. All right, click on OK and our Outlook should open fine. Our Outlook should open fine. All right, so this is taking some time, but definitely it's going to open. All right. So most times, so I'm going to put in my email. So most times when you have issues like this, when you create a profile and it doesn't work, the next thing you should do is you should clear the Outlook profile cache. So sometimes when you're unable to open the Outlook, you must have created a lot of profiles and the cache of the profiles must have piled up. So you need to go and clear all this cache for you to be able to launch your Outlook successfully. All right. It includes going to clear every Outlook profile, leaving just the default profile, which is the Outlook. Then under the Outlook, you clear all the cache under, just the way I showed to you. Clear every folder under the Outlook. Then you can launch the Outlook again. All right. So now I've put in my password, and you can see the Outlook is opening successfully. All right. So we click on done. So you can apply this to whatever problem you have with Outlook, be it emails are not coming in, Outlook is not launching, your emails are not updating, or your application is not behaving the way it should behave. Whatever it is, you can use this to fix it. All right. So another thing you can also do is updating your Office applications. So if you update your Office applications, voila, you can see the Outlook is open successfully. So if you can update your Office applications first before you start doing all these troubleshooting steps. If that doesn't work, then you can go ahead to start creating profiles and then clearing profile cache. If you found this video helpful, do well to put on your notification bell, like, subscribe, and share.